One of the things that we need to talk about that we've kind of been talking about a little bit, this commercial insurance rate thing when it comes to Uber, when it comes to Lyft, and it's like, how is a $12 ride or a $12 your fare? How are they getting charged $8 for commercial insurance when the rider's paying $16? It doesn't make any sense. But either way. One of the things, though, that I'm thinking these are your screenshots that we're about to show, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Well,
yeah. I'm just baffled about this. Okay, this is from California drivers or LA drivers. More importantly, I'm just going to go simple on this because we have a time crunch on this show. So, do you guys see where it says 4 asterisks there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 asterisks, right? Everything has an asterisk in Uber land. So this one is the 4th one. The bottom one. Commercial auto insurance, payment card fees, and other expenses vary depending on city and trip distance. Got it, Uber. The total amount of these fees can be as low as $1, but no higher than $10. This is from the Uber's app, side by side, okay? These fees are payable by riders directly to Uber and not part of your driver earnings. Got it. Very simple. Right-hand screenshot. With our help, that California driver benefits went from 75 to 79. As you guys can see, they're passing that on directly to the passenger as usual.
Yeah, but you know what? How much cents did that go up for the
4
mileage?
4
So so there you go. So 75 to 79. Yeah. That's the 4 cents.
Yeah.
It completely absorbs to the customer.
But
go down one more.
Yeah, go down one more line. Commercial, see the 4 asterisk on the next one, Chris, and the 4 asterisk on the left. That means they are in the same.
That means read the fine print, and when you see CA benefits is 3 asterisks, but then when you go to the commercial auto insurance, payment card fees, and other expenses, that's the 4 asterisks.
Yeah.
So and that's exactly what you just read.
What happened to the 10?
What happened to the 1? Yeah, exactly. What happened to the between $1 and $10? Why do I see 11.10 there?
We break the sound barrier, or what's happening here? Okay, so
I don't know.
Okay, we had a conversation with Uber about this. I am saying that this number is finagled. Okay, there is another one. Again, 4 asterisk between. There's 2 more actually. Between 0 and 10, 1 and 10 on this trip is 12.15. On the trip on the right, and I'm going like, okay, so 11 on 1, 12. So we broke the $10 barrier. But Uber still says we're going to only collect between 1 and 10. Okay, I got that.
It says it right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Right there on their little asterisk.
Yeah.
Right
what kind of bullshit? Anyway, so I had a talk with Uber. Uber says, we swear.
Is this Lyft pinky swear?
Yeah, pinky swear.
This is the Lyft pinky swear from Uber.
Yeah, we did that article. That was popular. So Uber says all of that 4 asterisk commercial insurance, credit card fees, and platform expenses, it's all insurance. We swear we don't take any of that. So now I'm thinking, okay, if it was 1 to 10 and now you're charging 14, is it okay? See, I personally, Chris, don't think drivers should pay too much attention to take rates. They should pay more attention to their own profitability.
Okay? Yep.
I got you.
I agree.
But what they're doing here with this manipulation of that 4 asterisk line item, now it's at 14, 12, 11. Broke the sound barrier.
1 to 10.
Yeah, well,
those are hard limits. You put hard limits on there. You said 1 to 10.
Yeah, please put that up again. Look at this, people. You explained this. This is on the same driver's app, man. Okay, look at this. 11.10. It says 10. Okay. Do you see Uber service fee? The bottom line, people. It says 69 cents, right? So basically, customer price was $25.96 on this trip. Okay, 79 cents was taken out for Prop 22. $11.10 was taken out. So literally, Chris, out of the $25.96, let's say $26, 40% went to commercial insurance, bro.
You know what though? Here's the thing. I think that the payment card processing has to be in there too.
Yes,
because
2%,
every single
3%.
one is going to have a payment card processing fee.
Okay,
It's got to
3%.
be in there. I mean, they're not going to put it anywhere else. Where else are they going to put it?
It is in there.
It's got to be included in there. It can't just be commercial insurance. So, yeah.
I agree, but I'm
And those
saying
credit card processing fees are no joke. They're insane.
I get it. But how about this?
Between 1 and 10.
I know for a fact that $11.10 and on the other trip was 14 includes the marketplace fee that they're hiding in there to make your take rates look low. Just like on that trip, they lowered it down to 69 cents. So you guys don't get mad and switch to Uber or do other things with, okay, log out the app. So I'm saying give me the breakdown of that $11.10. Okay, if it's credit card fees, fine. If it's marketplace, look, I know they're hiding marketplace fee in there. I know for a fact. Where is the marketplace fee otherwise? On every passenger, there is a dynamic marketplace fee between $3 and $8. Where is it? And that you don't collect either as a driver. That's putting in there. I know it is. And Uber says no. Serge, no, it's definitely not in there. I'm going like, okay, if it's not in there, break it down. Break that commercial insurance part down. Credit card fees, platform expense, commercial insurance, whatever the heck it is, bro. Just put it in there. What's the harm? You're taking it away anyway. How difficult is it to break that down? No, they would have. No, it's all commercial insurance. Our rates have gone through the roof. That's it. I'm like, okay, I'm not buying it. So we're going to continue with that conversation. So bottom line is, take a look at your commercial insurance rates. Let's see in your own cities and send me screenshots. Let's see if you guys are breaking the $10 barrier. Because we're breaking it hard here, bro. We're just right through.
And then I want to see who's the winner. Who's got the highest one that's broken?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to see that.
There'll be a guy with 20.
I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
Yeah.
But either way, I mean, yeah, it'd be nice to see the breakdown of it just a little bit more, just to see. I mean,
transparency, man. Transparency.
And I agree with you. Sometimes I don't really care necessarily when it comes to their take.
I don't either.
I'm more looking at what I'm making on the ride, and it's to me, if I'm accepting a ride and I'm taking it, I'm thinking, hey, I'm going to make money on this ride. I'm okay. And at the same time, I think it's the passenger that's getting screwed because the passenger is paying an exorbitant amount over than what I'm making. So riders should be a little bit more upset with that than
I agree.
Or drivers should be, at least in my opinion. As long as you're taking the proper profitable rides, then hey, cool. Caro, thank you.
Caro, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Hey man, how's your car fixing going on? It was in an accident, and he's in a rental. And I spoke to him. And when are we going to lunch? And when we get back from Denver, let me take you to lunch because I talked to you already. But anyway, thank you. So please, everybody, look at your commercial insurance rates. It's on your receipt. Send me if you think okay, if it's above 10, send it to me. If it's below 10, don't, because it says 1 to 10. But if it's like 15, 18, 12, whatever city you're in, mention your city and then send it to me. Let's see.
If it's 36, definitely.
I sure hope not, bro. Can you imagine that?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. The only thing, though, is the thing that I'm fearing that they're going to try to do with that is they're going to take that part out, what they did, and then they're going to show that this service fee that they have, or the negative or close to, like that one was 69 cents or whatever. If you look at the overall take, they're like, well, we should be able to take 20%. So they're going to look at it this way. They're going to say, well, everything that we have to deduct, whether it's commercial insurance, credit card processing, marketplace fee, we're not even going to include that. California fee, taxes, your earnings, we're going to take it. We're going to say, well, we want 80% of your earnings. So that 70 cents, we're going to start upping it. So again, that's not necessarily going to affect you as a driver if you're taking the profitable rides, if you're taking the way you should, because they're not going to, I mean, they could squeeze your pay, but if you're keeping your pay where it is, they're going to have to continually increase it for passengers.
Yeah. No, I mean, I all I know is, we're used to the take rate. Most drivers look at what the passenger paid and what they put in their pocket as their take rate. Uber, Lyft, all of these companies have a horrible, perception issue or a reputation issue out there because people go, oh, they took 50%. Well, according to this, look, there was a $23.96 trip or whatever it was, $25 trip. Uber ended up, according to them, making 89 cents. That's like 3%. They didn't even. So where is the 50%, right? That's what we want to know. Like drivers go, I'm super mad. They took 50%, 60%. I'm like, no. According to Uber, they only took 3, but I know they didn't take 3. This is so simple. Just put the numbers out there. So everybody, we're actually trying to help Uber and Lyft here because they're doing a horrible job pissing people off, putting like $26 trip, driver made 11, driver goes, they took 60%. I'm like, no, they didn't take 60%. We're trying to help you people. Just make it more transparent, okay? We'll fix your reputation here. Don't worry about it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.